scholar na si Poy. Bagamat hindi pa siya nagiging star scholar, kapansin-pansin ang malaking improvement sa mga grades ng scholars nang siya ay dumating. Patunay lamang na talagang lahat sila ay na-challenge. Pero paano kaya niya pagdadaanan ang kanyang huling linggo? Narito po. Noong Sabado ay kinausap ni Mr. C ang honorary scholar na si Poy.
We're reviewing your performance now. You've done good. It's always second. This one is only kind of third now. This is your last week in the academy. And although you still have 1 week to go, and yes, if you make it next week a stop, you can still go home with 50,000. Okay, we'd like to thank you for. No, thank you. Wait, we would have gone siguro farther if we have been started with us. But point, this is the deal. You cannot say to the scholars that this is your last week. Right? Please enjoy your last week here. I mean, parang give it your best and enjoy everyone there, and try to win pa rin next week anyway. Thank you very much, and I'm sure we're gonna see you somewhere. Be a good girl.
Para sa kanyang huling performance, makakapiling din ni Poy ang isang celebrity group of singers.
Ang kaduet mo ay the Ryan Kayab-Yab Singers.
Oh my God! Pagpasok pa lang niya ng room, meron na siyang sheet music, dala niya ng study CD. Tapos, so we played the CD, we listened to it lang once together. Pero mukhang alam na niya even before listening to it kasi alam di siya nangangapa.
It was really fun rehearsing with Poy. She was easy to get along with. She's always smiling. So, super comfortable yung feeling kanina.
Challenging siya pero na-enjoy ko yung kanta kaya nagiging maganda yung pagka-present.
Nagbigay na lang si Mr. C ng tips sa kanya on what she can do to stylize, ganyan. Pero basically, she put na her own style into it. So parang pinag-isipan niya talaga kung ano gusto niya.
Matapos mag-practice ay may bonus pa si Mr. C at ang mga RCs.
Okay, we have to work on your spiels. Who has a hard time with spiels? That's a good way to start. Whatever language you speak, the best. That's the language you speak.